What's your story? What's your sign? It's like we're twin flames in a different life. Deep connection.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Kaviar Kez. I hope you guys are all doing well. Today we're going to be talking about this beautiful wig that I have installed. If you want to find out more details about this install and this meltdown, continue watching.
Lights a spark. It's like you know me in the depths of my heart.
Today's hair sponsor is Hermosa hair. This is actually my second collaboration with Hermosa hair. What I have installed is a 24-inch 13x4 transparent lace straight wig, 220% density. Oh my goodness.
We're dreamers. Don't care what other people say. We live it like this could be our final day. We're dreamers. Don't care what the others say. We're doing this in our own way. We come alive in the nighttime. It's something about how we dance in the moonlight. That look in your eyes, it tells me that you want me and all my loving. We come alive in the nighttime. You and I, we come alive. We come alive. We come alive. What's your weakness? What's your type? Somehow I wanna know all about you. Deep connection, lights a spark. You already know me when we dance in the dark. We're dreamers. We're living. We're dreamers. We're doing this in our own way. We come alive in the nighttime. It's something about how we dance in the moonlight. That look in your eyes, it tells me that you want me and all my loving. We come alive in the nighttime. You and I, we come alive. We come alive. We come alive. We come alive. Tell me that you want me. I can see you want me by the look in your eyes. Tell me that you want me. I can see you want me by the look in your eyes. We come alive. We come alive. We come alive in the nighttime. It's something about how we dance in the moonlight. That look in your eyes, it tells me that you want me and all my loving. We come alive in the nighttime. You and I, we come alive. We come alive. We come alive. We come alive. I was just somebody longing for someone to hold me. It could be anybody, but you chose me somehow. Now I'm crazy, thinking about you all the time, like crazy, knowing you're here by my side. And I was doing fine on my own, but baby, you make me a whole lot better. A whole lot better. A whole lot better. A whole lot better. You've seen all my bad sides, yet nothing that I do seems to make you wanna run away.
So I'm using this black gel, as you can see. It has like color. Actually, I really like it for this. So as you guys can see, this is the natural texture. This is how the hair dried. Now I think I'm gonna put some heat protectant. So when I was curling this hair, I did curl it on a mannequin head. So it's definitely gonna be a little bit different crimping it on my hair, on my head. This is what I'm using. I'm actually using my bedhead crimper. I believe I got this on Amazon. Pretty expensive actually. I think it was like around $80 or almost $100. I've had this crimper for so long, but I find that not every single wig likes to crimp. Sometimes like some wigs just don't want to crimp, like it won't hold the crimp. So ooh, that product works really well for this. I should have used this the entire time. So if you really want the crimps to look really defined, you do need to put some product on it, or else it just won't look super defined.
Breathe in some love and let yourself unfold. Breathe in some love and let yourself unfold. You're so much deeper when you quit playing charades. Yeah. You act so cool, but underneath you see.
Not sure what I did with that one.
Yeah. You keep running away. Owe it to yourself to dare. Just try to open up and show someone you care. You might not be intentional, but you seem scared. Just try to open up and let it lead somewhere. Breathe in some love and let yourself unfold. Breathe in some love and let yourself unfold. There's something juvenile about your pretty face, but it seems so hard for you to know when you need space. I hope you find your peace and that you get a taste with yourself. Oh, yeah. Let yourself unfold. Yeah. Let yourself unfold. Owe it to yourself to dare. Just try to open up and show someone you care. You might not be intentional, but you seem scared. Just try to open up and let it lead somewhere. Breathe in some love.
When I got this wig out of the box, I noticed that it was very full. I would say it is definitely 220% density. Hair felt more on the coarse side, like it felt like a straight wig that could hold a curl or a wave. So that's what I decided to do. I decided to crimp her today, and that's what we did. I just used my bedhead crimper, and it looks like that. Those are what the barrels look like, and I crimped her, and as you can see, she is holding a beautiful curl. I did bleach the knots on this wig, but they didn't lift as much because I didn't leave it on too long. This is what she's looking like installed. Super full, you guys. 220% density. You can really see the density when it's crimped like this. It is so full. Of course, you can wear this wig straight if you wanted to. So I wanted to show you guys how this wig looks in its crimped state. So that's what she looks like. She's hitting me here. I would say she is true to length. The wig is not like super long, but yeah, I would say it is true to length. It's definitely 24 inch. Really beautiful, guys. The hair does feel really soft. I left the top straight so you guys can see what the natural texture looked like, and that's what it looks like. I really like it. I definitely think you guys should check it out. If this is something that you might be into, I'll leave all the information in the description box for you guys. If there is a coupon code, it's going to be down there as well. This is what she looks like up close. I want you guys to see. Really cute, guys. Definitely check them out before you go. So that's with it straightened afterwards. Like I said, it does feel like the hair is more coarse, which is good for curling hair. You know, like Kenya Moore from Atlanta Housewives. Like, it's giving me that kind of vibe. Definitely check it out. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, leave me a thumbs up before you go. I'll catch you guys later in another video. Bye for now.